Tonight, fam, we're at it. What's going on, fam? Welcome back to Richie's Frag Collection. Here where we talk about the latest fragrances, my personal collection, and you get to come with me on my journey to truly understanding this fragrance world. Now if that sounds interesting, hit that subscribe button, like button, and comment down below so we can talk about these new fragrances. Now roll that footage. Now Regent is brand new. It came out earlier this year. Not like literally brand new. Now, this is an oriental woody fragrance. Grapefruit, ginger, some bergamot, musk, cedar. Oh, this is a summertime banger. Well, we hope that it is because it's inspired off of Vibrato, which is, when I wear that fragrance, I feel like I'm in paradise when I walk around with that fragrance on. So I got to get me another one. And then when I was doing the research about Regent, I kind of realized, hey yo, I think I already got a clone, a fragrance that already smells similar. Yep, right here. Theorem by Rob Broker. We did a video on this earlier. And this here, oh, I got a crazy compliment earlier this month. It was lovely. And no, I didn't gatekeep. I broke bread and I let them know where to find it. But it also smells like this Vibrato here that also supposed to smell similar to Bulgari Tiger. Did I say Bulgari Tiger? No, is it Black Tiger? Bulgari Tiger. I'm gonna list it in there what the actual Rob Booker clone is for. And I think it's Black Tiger. But either way, gang, it is a lovely, lovely scent for the summertime. Puts you on a whole nother level. People are not going to be ready for you when you rock in this fragrance. Well, that was for Vibrato. That's Vibrato. We don't know about your boy here. Well, we about to find out. We about to get into it right now, gang. Here we go. Well, Blue, do you like it? Is it a 1-to-1? Well, before I answer that, let's find out what's in the juice. Let's check out the accords and the notes. So what's in the juice? Main accords, top 5 style, citrus, fresh spicy, woody, white floral, powdery. Top notes are grapefruit, bergamot, ginger, Mandarin orange. Middle notes, orange blossom, Orris, and Jasmine. Base notes, musk, ambergris, cedarwood, sandalwood, patchouli, and tonka. That's what's in the juice game. Now, back to our question. Do you like it? Is it a 1-to-1, Richie Blue? Yes, it is. for my untrained nose, when I smell Regent by Maison Asrar, I smell Vibrato. Just a few $100s cheaper on the budget style. It's definitely gonna be a separated game, because you're not gonna smell like your peers when you rock this luxurious grapefruit citrus madness right here. For the summertime too, like when you get on the beach and you smell like this, they're gonna be on you. They're gonna be on you. They're just gonna be falling all over you because you're gonna be smelling so good, gang. Add it to your collection and thank you later. It's gonna last about 8 hours for you. You throw it on right before you hit the beach, right before you get that stroll down Riverwalk or the boardwalk, or you're getting on that boat, or even if you're at a wedding during the summer, you know, a cookout. That's what you want to do. Maybe not a cookout, that's a little, but either way, when you sip in that cookout smelling that, they gonna be like, ooh, I see you. I know. Oh man, gang. But that's the video, gang. Regent of a Vibrato Middle Eastern clone, well worth your purchase. Only $45. I copped it at a gentleman's shop. Good delivery. Gang, add it to your collection, gang, for the summer. Before the summer's over, get it into your collection and thank me later. So, if you enjoyed the video, you found this video of some type of value, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and write down in the comment if you have Regent already as well and how you feel about the fragrance. Or if you got the OG by Sospiro Vibrato, let us know about that fragrance and how you feel. Until next time, gang. Until our next video. Frag out! Alright, bro. I think I did enough. I think we did enough, bro. I think we did enough. It's like 3 o'clock. It's like 3 o'clock in the goddamn morning.